Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce the FC-2G lighting protection components tester and FC-2GB lighting protection component tester of Wuhan Huatian Power Co. Ltd. The maximum voltage of the FC-2G lighting protection components tester is 1700 voltage and the voltage occurs less than or equal to 2%. The maximum voltage of the FC-2GB lighting protection components tester is 1900 voltage across less than or equal to 1%. Lighting protection component tester suitable for testing DC parameters of overvoltage lighting protection components such as zinc oxide varistor, cermet 2-electrode and 3-electrode discharge tools, vacuum lighting protection tools, etc. It can also be used for stabilizing voltage and constant current power supply, with high voltage short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, high phase range adjustment, and other functions. High pressure injection time is less than 0.5 seconds. There is a self-check function. The measurement data is displayed by 3-position CMOS digital display with high accuracy and good reliability. Now let's test the discharge tube with the FC-2G lighting protection component tester. Black is power red and is connected to the red positive pole. Black end is connected to black negative pole, and the other end is directly connected to the discharge tube. Now let's take the lighting voltage discharge tube as an example to do an experiment for you. Now we start the machine to end with the high voltage limit. With the highest voltage we can output. We usually set it to the maximum. The end is the voltage preset, which means the initial voltage we set it to the minimum value, namely 0, and set it to the end. What we want to measure now is a single measurement. That is to say, the high setting is a single time, and the continuous measurement is pressed down, where we're just going to do a single measurement. When we measure the discharge tube, the PG resistor is in the high position and discharge tube is in the low position. So we start the high voltage startup and click test. The instrument shows that LED 1 voltage is the ignition voltage of the discharge tube. Now the test is finished. High voltage startup and shutdown, the rate shutdown. This test is completed. Now we use FC-2G to test the resistor. This power supply switch red light positive, black light negative at the resistor at the other end. Let's take the varistor 240 voltage as an example. Here is the high voltage limit. We set the high voltage limit to the maximum value. And the voltage preset to the minimum value, which is 0, and it can be turned on. We have selected single test. Power resistor is in high setting. Now start high voltage. When we click test, the instrument will boost up at 100 voltage per second. When the breakdown voltage of the resistor is raised, the leakage current of the resistor will be displayed approximately 2 seconds later. Now let's click test. 246 voltage is the breakdown voltage and 19.4 is the leakage current value. Now the test is finished. High voltage start, top, shut down. Now power off.